U.S. President Donald Trump, speaking at a cabinet meeting following his summit with President Lee, said Seoul and Washington will stick to the trade deal signed last month, even though there was what he called a problem. Meanwhile, U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick praised Trump's trade policies, citing $900 billion in investment from South Korea and Japan combined. Our Seung-jae has the details.
A day after he held summit talks with South Korean President Myung in Washington, U.S. President Donald Trump said Tuesday that Seoul has honored its trade agreement with Washington, despite what he described as a problem that South Korea had.
I heard there was a problem with South Korea, but we met yesterday and they're done. We didn't do anything. We just kept the same deal. He honored the deal they wanted.
Speaking at a cabinet meeting, Trump highlighted a series of trade agreements his administration has reached to reduce America's trade deficits and increase federal revenue. He also noted that Seoul wanted to see if they could do something, but stuck to the agreement in the end. President Trump did not elaborate on the problems surrounding the deal. Meanwhile, U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick highlighted Trump's success through his trade policies. Lutnick announced that South Korea and Japan will be making massive investments in the U.S., totaling $900 billion.
Japan and Korea, they're never going to open their markets to us. So we've negotiated $900 billion that they're giving you to invest in national and economic security in America.
According to Lutnick, South Korea has agreed to invest $350 billion, while Japan will contribute $550 billion. In exchange, Washington will lower certain tariffs. The secretary said the funds will be pooled into a new National Economic Security Fund, which the administration intends to use for major infrastructure development projects. He praised the deals as a clear example of how tariffs are delivering results for the American economy. Still, questions remain. While Japan's investment plan is expected to be announced later this week, details of South Korea's $350 billion commitment have yet to be outlined. Seung-jae, Arirang News.